Good morning, children. Today we'll study chapter 3 from your English book. You all take out chapter 3 and go through while I read and explain the lesson. The name of the lesson is The Tiger and the Mosquito. This is the story of a tiger and a mosquito. The mosquito teaches tiger a lesson. Now come on, let's start the lesson. A tiger was dozing under a tree. A mosquito came buzzing by. The tiger said, "Hey, mosquito, go away." So, a tiger was dozing, that is almost sleeping under a tree. Suddenly, a mosquito came near the tiger with its buzzing noise. I am sure you all have heard the noise made by a mosquito, isn't it? It's very irritating. So the tiger was irritated and asked the mosquito to go away. The mosquito said, "Why should I go away? I am not afraid of you." So the mosquito told the tiger that it will not go away, and it also said that it was not afraid of the tiger. The tiger was angry. He hit out with his paw. The mosquito flew off. The paw struck his own cheek. The blow scraped his cheek. It began to bleed. The mosquito buzzed away. So, when the mosquito didn't go away, the tiger was very angry. He tried to hit the mosquito with its paw. But what happened? The mosquito flew away, and the paw hit the tiger's own cheek and blood started coming out. The tiger struck with his other paw. The mosquito flew off. This time too he hit himself. On getting injured with his own paw, the tiger was very angry and he again tried to hit the mosquito with his other paw. But this time also the mosquito flew away and the paw hit his other cheek and blood started coming out. The tiger was helpless. The mosquito continued to buzz. The tiger got up and quietly walked away. So when the tiger was unable to move the mosquito, he felt helpless and went. The mosquito called out after him, "Don't be so proud, my friend. Everyone is great in his own way." So when the tiger was going, the mosquito called him and told the tiger not to be proud of himself. So what do we see? Even though the mosquito was so small, the big tiger was forced to leave its place. So what is the moral of the lesson? We should not think that anyone is weak, as everyone has his or her own strengths and weaknesses. Now children, let me tell you the meanings of some basic words of the story. Dozing means sleeping lightly for short time. Mosquito means an insect. Buzzing means sound of flying insects. It is the sound of flying insects. Angry, irritated. Paw, a padded foot of an animal with long curved nails like that of tiger, cat. Flew, moved through the air. Blow, it's an attack. Scrapped, removed skin with nails. Struck, hit. Helpless, a stage where one can do nothing. Quietly, without making any noise. Proud, feeling of pride. Great, having good qualities. So now children, you all will read the lesson by yourself and also try to learn the spellings. Thank you.